Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting problem is popping up, and it's getting a lot of attention in the feedback hub, and it's been mentioned at different other places, enough that some people are wondering what's happening. So if you're on Windows 11, and for this problem, 24H2 is not affected, so that's the good news. 24H2 is okay. But if you're on the 23H2 and you've got a printer that is a internet printing protocol over USB printer, what happens is that some people have actually started telling and actually putting in the comments in the feedback hub that their printers are starting to print on their own. So if your printer's behavior is bizarre, it's possible that it apparently would be a bug that occurs since the January 29th update preview. So when that update preview arrived, since then, some people have said that their printers start with post IPP print HTTP 1.12 at the start of the print, and then it's random characters of all sorts. And it can happen at any time, and it is apparently really since the January preview updates. So people have, of course, done different things, like, for example, unplugging their printers, and some people have simply rolled back. But it would seem that it's an issue that is possibly happening with these IPP USB printing printers. So the question, of course, here is, do you, if you have such a printer and you are on 23H2, have you noticed any specific problems with that? Or is everything okay? Once again, it has to be a USB printer that supports internet printing protocol over USB for that to work, because standard printers aren't affected with that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.